making a simple acid, base and neutral indicator. So now if you have heard, there are a lot of indicators like red litmus paper, blue litmus paper and universal indicator and lot of other indicators. So if you don't get them around in the shop and anything, so then you can make your own at home. You just need a little bit of water and a little bit of turmeric powder. Now we also have some things like this water, which is neutral, and this lemon, which has citric acid, means it's acidic, and this is some detergent powder which is basic in nature or alkaline in nature. So now we're going to test it out and we're going to see if this works, because I have heard it works. And we just put a little bit of turmeric powder in the water and we have to mix it. Now as you can see, it's yellow. Okay, it's yellow. But now we know that once we put an alkali or a base inside this thing, then it turns red in color, literally red. But we're gonna pour this thing, which is neutral water, and squeeze this lemon acid and see if it changes color or not. Now I know it doesn't change color, but I'll show you. There's a little bit of water in there. We're gonna mix it up again. As you see, it's not changed color yet, and even a little bit of lemon. There you go, a little bit of lemon, and still it has not changed color. Okay, it's still yellow. Now if I put a little bit of detergent in it, this detergent, boom, it immediately turns red. You can see, I just stir a bit and it is completely red, like it's red like blood, but it's not thick like blood. It's pretty red, you can see. Now we know that this, which is detergent, is basically an alkali or a base, but we don't know if this is neutral and this is acidic, because it has not yet indicated that this is neutral or this is acidic. So we're going to test it out. Now I know that this solution, which is red now, doesn't change color with water, which is neutral. So let's pour a bit. It has not changed color, and usually when it indicates an acid, it goes back to yellow. So let's see. We'll squeeze this lemon in. That's a lot of lemon. You can see it started to become yellow again. Yeah, it has started to become yellow a little bit. We need to squeeze a little bit.
It's a bit orange-ish.
Yes, it's a bit oranges. There you go. There you go. We have got a little bit of that yellow color over there. It's a little bit oranges. See, there we go. There we go. It's almost yellow again. We need to squeeze a bit more lemon. There we go. Yep. And we're going to mix it up. And it's getting a little red, but it's a yellow because this is an acid. And once you pour some detergent or put some detergent in turmeric solution, it becomes red. But then if it's an acid, it turns back to yellow. You saw it right now. So as you know, neutral doesn't show any change in this. It doesn't show any change in this. Like if I put some water, it's going to stay yellow. If I put some water when it was red, it will stay red. But now when I put some lemon juice in this, when it was yellow, it will stay yellow. It doesn't show any change. But when it's normal, like in the normal form, we have not put anything and we put just a little bit of detergent, it turns red. But after it turns red, we put this thing, it becomes yellow. So now we have identified that the juice in this is acidic, this water is neutral, and this detergent is basic or alkaline in nature, just with the help of water and turmeric powder. There we go. We made a simple indicator and it's so easy. You can make this at home. Like, check this out. Just squeeze a little bit of lemon in there and it turns more yellow. There we go. We got it. We did it, guys. Yeah, it turns a little bit red because of the base. There is detergent powder. And the more you stir it, the lemon juice also gets in there dissolved. But the detergent powder also makes it little. But it's yellow because I squeezed in some acid. So there we go, guys. You can make this at home very, very easily. And it's one of the best indicators you could make at home, because this doesn't cost any money to buy something. So it's pretty easy and it's free. That's also. This changes the normal form to red. This lemon changes the red form to yellow, and this doesn't show any change in both the forms. So there you go, guys. subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.